files on your system showing the BN2 extension you didn't create. This may indicate Bojanov Encryptor ransomware activity. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what to do about these Bojanov Encryptor encrypted files. I call this the last resort solution for those BN2 files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. BN2 files are files encrypted by the Bojanov Encryptor, a malicious program that encrypts user files and may demand ransom payment for decryption. The malware affects documents, photos, and other valuable files, appending the BN2 extension while making original files inaccessible without proper decryption keys. BN2 files contain original file data encrypted using cryptographic algorithms, typically AES or RSA encryption, with keys held only by the attackers. The encryption renders files unreadable by their original applications, with the BN2 extension marking them as processed by the Bojanov Encryptor malware tool. Bojanov Encryptor, from Bojanov Software, is the core program designed for the BN2 structure. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows cannot interpret scrambled file data, so specialized tools are essential to read it. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the BN2 file and choose Open With. Start with Bojanov Encryptor if available. If not, select another application from the list. If your BN2 file still refuses to open, stay calm. We're going to solve this with a universal tool. But first, what are the technical factors causing this BN2 error to appear? First, isolate the system. Disconnect the infected computer from networks immediately to prevent malware spread to other systems. Document the infection details, including timestamps and affected files for incident response. Avoid running unknown programs that may be associated with the encryption activity until proper malware removal completes. Next, run antivirus scans. Use updated antivirus software like Malwarebytes Bitdefender or ESET to scan and remove the Bojanov Encryptor malware. Multiple scans with different security tools improve detection rates. Boot from rescue media for thorough scanning of severely infected systems, requiring offline malware removal procedures. Finally, restore from backups. Restore affected files from clean backups taken before the infection occurred. Verify backup integrity, and ensure malware is fully removed before restoration to prevent reinfection. Check the No More Ransom project at nomoreransom.org for potential free decryption tools matching the specific ransomware variant. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.